I see people surfing on this river wave every day. I've always wanted to surf it, but I've always been too intimidated to try. I don't know what I'm doing. So every day I stop and watch the surfers for 3 years actually. Well, I saw a flyer the other day for an informational about the wave and I wanted to check it out. Maybe this year I'll actually surf. The informational yesterday went really well. They made it seem like it wasn't a big deal and that I could get out there and do it. And people were friendly and they would be helpful out there. So fingers crossed, I'm gonna go to a shop and look for a board. Wish me luck. I'm leaving the shop. I got a board. I've got some prep work to do to put the traction on it. I'm really excited. The guy was really helpful. This place was so hard to find. I'm gonna go step on this he said step on it for an hour. I'll be right out there. Look what just came in the mail. My wetsuit. Today's the day I'm getting out there and I am so nervous. Here we go. Okay, I'm ready. As soon as I got out there, I had people that wanted to help me, showed me how to stabilize my board, where to place my feet. It was a tremendous help, and I could not believe how nice people were. This guy said that he had been a ski instructor for 10 years, and he really was a great teacher on the wave as well. And I saw an immediate improvement in my stance and my balance when he was instructing me. Day one was so much fun. Like, the people were so nice and helpful. I was a bit surprised at how intimidating the whitewater rapids are, because like when you go down them and then you're like holding your breath and then like you think you're up but you're all in the white water and you're not really sure if you're all the way up and you can breathe yet or not. They do get kind of scary. It's hard to get your board back. Day two, I got a bit more comfortable chasing after my board. Finally at the end, I had to go all the way down all the rapids and get it multiple times, but the whitewater rapids became more comfortable going down and it became more comfortable running at catching my board, and that made it more fun because I wasn't so scared of the rapids anymore. I got on my board more comfortably, and then I went to the left a bit of the wave, and then I would kind of fall before I'd go back over. I called day 2 the eagle wings because my arms were out like eagle wings. I guess I was thinking that it would help my balance, and I was thinking of it the way I learned snowboarding. Okay, day 2 complete. Ooh, that was fun today. I felt way more comfortable. It was not nearly as nerve-wracking to go down the rapids. I feel good. I did start going over by the end of the day, but I never really mastered it. So I feel like I'm making progress so much quicker than I expected. And it's way nicer of a community than I anticipated. I don't know, it seemed really intimidating, everyone in their wetsuits, and like it seemed like cool people surf, and I was shocked at how nice. Everyone was so nice. And today the time just flew by. Ow! I just got butter on my toe, like hot butter. Great. I really wish I would have done this years ago. I cannot believe it took me so long to get out there. Everything's intimidating until you just do it. That should be a lesson in life, because everything's intimidating until you do it. And then you're like, why was I so nervous about this in the first place? I had such an amazing day. I am just shocked at how much progress I'm making so quickly, and how it's day 2 and I'm feeling pretty comfortable. Like going down the rapids scared me, and now I'm kind of getting the hang of it. Chasing after my board afterwards, and now I'm kind of getting the feel of where the eddies are. Just kind of more of the flow and the rhythm of the river. And then the wave is starting to become more comfortable too, and I'm figuring out how to move on the wave. And that yesterday I was just like trying to stand up and feel comfortable and get my balance and feel my footing. I did not think that I was gonna be where I'm at on day 2. I started off a little bit too confident, like, yeah, I got this, and fell immediately. There were a couple times where I was actually moving back and forth on the wave, so I was really proud of myself. I still had some troubles getting my board and chasing after it, and I'm gonna try more on grabbing my surfboard when I fall. I saw that my front was like really getting into the water, and so I want to work on how to keep my nose out of the water next. But all in all, I still saw massive progress yesterday, and I felt more comfortable with the rapids than the day before. I'm transitioning from like being overwhelmed by the sport and learning to actually having fun. I almost didn't go out yesterday, and I was always glad I did. I usually stay out between 2 and about 2 hours. It's day 4. I'm gonna get my wetsuit on and head over to the wave, bike over. I am so excited about the huge gains that you get every day in the beginning of learning something new, that incrementally over time you don't see as much, but right now it's like you're soaking in everything. It's new, and you can see so much progress in so little time. So I'm excited to see how I do today on the wave. Okay, almost ready. See you out there. You can see by my awkward newbie stance that I'm a little bit uncomfortable on the wave, but the biggest thing I see is I'm looking forward up the river instead of looking in the direction that I want to go, which is back and forth on the wave. Is it just me, or am I being able to stay on the wave a little bit longer today? Let's see how I go. Yeah. 6, I wasn't really sure if I was making any progress anymore. It kind of seemed like I was at a standstill. Well, I am turning my head and looking in the direction I want to go, which is an improvement, so I take that back. Well, now that the 7 days are over, I can say that I think river surfing is going to be my sport for the season. So much fun. It was a great community out there, and it really reminded me that everything feels like a big deal until you just do it. Most of the time isn't a big deal, and you really have to experience overcoming a fear. You can't just rationalize it because fear is an emotion, right? So there's no logic behind your fears, and getting out there, trying something new, and just going for it is the only way that you're going to overcome that fear. River surfing is just really rewarding because, like I said in my intro, I had been watching people for years out there, and it looks so intimidating. I just didn't even know where to get started. I just can't believe I waited so long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Generally, I make content about traveling in my truck camper, and that's how I save money to afford getting new gear for a new sport, is living off grid and skipping out on rent. Who needs that? So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.